Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Everyone is very busy for this occasion for the festivals. I know. So everyone is busy with the shopping also, but still the manufacturers also very busy by supporting the resellers, dealers, wholesalers and women entrepreneurs who are running a business successfully. So today also I brought for you some exclusive varieties for this season, which we got the new blouse varieties. Everyone, as you have watched my videos where I've showed you and I've shared you varieties of sarees, right? So today I'm going to show you some sarees which I've showed you. Today I'm going to share you varieties of ready-made blouses. I've showed you linen cotton, khadi cotton, rapier silk, silk cotton, poonam sarees and fancy casual party wear Jimmy Choo fabric sarees, jerkin work, jerry work, pashmina silk, banarasi. These kind of for every sarees. Kesarias are also brought mixed varieties of blouses. It starts from, today I brought the varieties from 120 rupees to 400 rupees. To know the actual price, please take a screenshot and call the online team and you can take a actual price per particular product. I'm not sharing your particular product because many resellers are tie up with us. They are also having some margins, right? So hope you understand. Subscribe it and please share the link with friends, your relatives, everyone who is really wanted to have a clothing business. So let's see some varieties. So beautiful blouses. Here it is a handwork pattern. If you're really having the blouse black color sarees, or I want a matte look pattern of the handwork designer, only black color you have a handwork. These kind of blouses with the fancy tassels, you can see removable cups and back hook, and sleeves you can attach if you're required. So next pattern, very pretty blouse with a multicolor designer ready-made multi handwork with the sequence work, where you can see the thread work which is highlighted. Every blouse you can take a screenshot and you can quickly contact. Before getting out of stock, you can add into your business. This is also the back hook pattern. Next pattern, if I talk about the linen cotton, khadi cotton, only the cotton fancy sarees. So for this cotton fancy sarees, cotton embroidery handwork sarees with handwork, this is one of the pattern. So in this you have a beautiful lovely collections and the color charts. This is one of the pattern, and see the one more color, very pretty. This, so these collections with the pashmina silk, banarasi silk range of varieties. For this you can contact these kind of collections where you can add into your business and you can make your customers, you can suggest these kind of collections who need heavy highlighted, which looks very party wear, functional wear, and the bandhani batik handwork pattern. This is also one of the design. If I talk about the cotton fancy sarees, I have showed you some sarees which is only white based embroidering work with the sequence work, sequence border with the white thread work. For these sarees which looks very casual and the party wear. So this is one of the purple with white color. So this kind of collections also you can purchase the ready-made blouses. If I talk about the fancy casual stylish net fabric, you will have a net fabric designer, the lightweight for the tissue silk, paper silk sarees. These kind of blouses with the chunky. This is one of the pattern, short sleeves with the lace you can see here. If I talk about the settle classy colors with the only golden border, the golden border, jerry border, so only golden color with the handwork with multiple pearls which has given with the white and the brown, and the white with the black which is highlighted on the neck and the front of the ready-made blouse, which is a beautiful collection with the short sleeves. This is also one of the pattern. The cups which you can see, removable cups, if you need you can keep it. So next pattern, for the Jimmy Choo fabric, you can see the Jimmy Choo fabric party wear sarees, very shiny and glossy fabric sarees for this matte designer. So Jimmy Choo, this is a round neck pattern with the back hook design. So this also you got the lovely handwork design with the jerry work collections. So this is one of the pattern. If I talk about the dark colors, which is a bottle green with embroidery, these kind of collections with the sequence designer, the cut you can see over here. So piping work which has been highlighted on the broad neck with the square neck pattern, which is designer cut blouses. That's one of the pattern. If I talk about the Kanjivaram sarees, jerry border, jacquard silk, rapier silk, and silk banarasi, if you need only jerry and jerkin work which is highlighted in the sari of the borders, for that also you can see this kind of collections of the ready-made blouses. So these kind of blouses also you can buy for the jerry work and jerkin work, the highlighted piping with the square designer cut of the blouses. If I talk about the dark bottle green colors and the bottle green sarees, I need only sleeves with the jerkin work, chunky work pattern with the designer, only leaf designer of the pattern. These kind of collections also you can purchase. This is one of the pattern. So all these designer cut of blouses you can see over here. This is all the pattern of varieties where you can see the blouse beads around the running material, and the ready-made blouses also you have with the n number of collections of the color charts with the 7 colors, 8 colors. Even we have a shape waist, body shape waist and the petticoats, and n number of collections. You have a plain with jerkin, butta work, weaving, and the materials of the petticoats where the tailoring business, especially the woman who runs the tailoring business, you can also add into your business quickly. You can have the margin for the fabric, even for the stitching. So hope you enjoyed these collections. We do have a stretchable blouses also ready made, all sizes and all the free sizes. These blouses also free sizes, you can alter if you need it. So hope you enjoyed these blouses. So subscribe the channel, my friends. Quickly you can add into your business resellers these varieties of ready-made blouses with the multiple color charts. So next video we'll meet. Don't forget, share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. And please share your name and city, from which city you're watching the video. And there's a bell icon, just click it. Keep supporting me. Next video we'll meet. Until then, take care. Bye-bye, friends.